Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to sync Notion with Apple Calendar. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to sync Notion with your Apple Calendar, you'll need to use Notion's calendar app and connect it to your iCloud account. So this will allow you to seamlessly view your Notion events on your Apple Calendar and vice versa. So simply install and set up your Notion calendar and then connect to your Apple account. You need to navigate to your settings once you open your calendar and simply connect it through your iCloud. After this, you need to allow access to your Notion calendar, which is allowing everything that is needed and then connecting it with the database. Once this is done, your Notion calendar will automatically sync your Notion events to your Apple calendar based on the settings you configured. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching, and we will be back again really soon with many interesting and updating videos like this.